was walking,
I was wondering.
till you called my name. Oh. I was lost on a dusty road, heavy heart, heavy aching soul, chasing shadows, chasing smoke, running tired, running broke.
Then you were like a gentle fire, cut through all my old desires. In the dark you took my hand, said, "Child, I got a better plan."
I don't always see the way,
But your mercy lights my days.
step by step I hear you say,
Trust me, follow me.
you lead me in paths of righteousness, for your name's sake I will rest. Every valley, every test, you are good, you are good, I am blessed. You lead me in paths of righteousness,
I will follow.
nothing less. Every heartbeat, every breath, I belong.
I belong in your steps. When the storm and the thunder roll, I remember you guard my soul.
When my plans all fall apart, you are steady in my heart.
When my friends said walk away, still your love doesn't shift or sway.
You correct me, you draw me near, throw my worry into cheer. I was blind and you gave me sight.
You turn